Hello everyone, it is Sugar Babe Mary. I'm here bringing you a short tutorial on how to align alphas. I'm using these stamped alphas by Studio Basic Designs in my tutorial today. I'm using Photoshop Elements 12. And disclaimer, I haven't done a tutorial in forever, so hopefully this goes all right for you all. All right, so I'm going to start with the blocked alphas first because they are basically around the same size and it's a lot easier to work with. So what I'm going to do is select them all, and then on the tools options, you'll see that this is where I have my alignment and the distribute that I will use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to align them to the bottom, because letters sit on the baseline when you write. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to use the arrow keys and just nudge them over a little bit. See, I can do it this way, or instead of doing it this way, what I could do is, I'm going to move these to overlap real quick to be like that. You could go ahead and once you have them all on the alignment on the baseline, you can select them all and then go to the distribute and click on the middle so that you have about the same space in between each of the letters. So there you go. That one's pretty simple. Now when you have a script font, so over here I have letters to make the word beauty. I'm going to go ahead and first I'm just going to kind of put them near each other. All right, so when I do the alignment on here, it's going to be different because I have a Y that goes down below, so that does not sit on the baseline. All these letters over here would be all on the baseline. And so I'm going to go ahead and select those and click align to the bottom. And now for this Y, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can align it to the U. So I'm going to now, instead of going to the bottom, I'm going to have it aligned to the top of it. So I went ahead and did that, and the top part of the Y and the top part of the U are now aligned. Now using the distribute won't work with these alphas because if you can see the box in between, these are not the same size as these boxes were. So these boxes are all different sizes, some longer and some shorter. So when I hit distribute to the middle, as you can see, it moves it and they're not distribute evenly. So I'm going to hit Control Z to go back. So then what I'm going to use is just the arrow tabs on my keyboard, and I'm going to zoom in here. So I see the tail of the T going into the Y there, and if I wanted that to be not so into the Y, I can use the arrow keys and just nudge that over so that it's connecting. Same here, have the U and the T. If I don't want it to be like that, I already have these the way I want them though, so I'm going to select both of those and nudge those together. So then I can just move that over how I'd like. So then I can look. I see that A is going all the way into the U, but I think that's fine with the sizing. Might have this B move over just a tad bit. So go that way. So there you have it. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave a comment. in the video, and I will go ahead and reply to that and see if I can help you out if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope this was helpful to you. I will talk to you all later. All right, bye.